okayfm 101.7.
Owura Kwame Bafo eye Bruno regional chairman Edema Wosun Kokroko amanyuko a wodi aban MPP champion chairman Abronye memwachi
mejo so Ghana man panyin Kwame Nkrumah
na bakore
yemfa seda ema watifo ne tweda mpon Kwame
na mama mfemfiri se na anu ye ne udi nkomo registration no na wo cabinet se na abufuo wo mkakra se mokra de se case bi e besi bi am nko report ma police mbe report ama mo ankasa mo bi se de bi a wakoma adwo enti se nhye te sei munu case bi anu a se jani makobo police fo ama ne ye hwe ne de ba bi amra to ato ne ade kama anamboa
me da se bebre ma me fa akwanya we na menchia watifo ba bia wa fidi kase no ekodu ya ma omu nyina ati me de ma me se me kwa me dia me no kasa die ene bono MPP wo mantam hade ya ba report to case ya ma police die ya ba report to ama fire service for no omu di nsu abedum no anya we do omu de wo nsu
oze
me say ya ba case sia ya ba report to ama police die ya ba report to ama fire service for mo so mo so security for
oh but me sewa me pacho we chama wonim se eye omo na oman di adwuma hye wo mo nsaw wadawo
am say madam me mo ndie me de ma report to ama fire service for mo ba na omo di nsuo aba bedum no na aye ntem
ayo
dan sama report to ama sleeping police die anya adwuma sleeping police yo omo na wo bono region no sleeping police
but emere bia ayi wo call anse kintampo bia nkrofo koburu wo se police fo ne betwaje wu
and am say wo me sleeping police bi ta say esi sen enti no asana wakoko yi aba no e ka ho bie eye pa se wakoko yi asana ba bi ta say esi sen bisa omo ofra mo misa omo sleeping police in the sense say mantam haya o and the Ministry of Local Government wo mo cast wo mo kraye 2015 ba say Ghana for sika omode toss cars no be anwea cars e be a tipper truck e be a bulldozer excavator ne ade odasani timi tena se 2015 cars me party ne wo so ati sa cars ne mako 25 e de kogu ni fie so ye NDT regional organizer odi ya adwuma di ya emfie mienu kwapem 2017 yetu anamono kwachi cars ni nyomu san hu say sa regional organizer no ade for the regional coordinating council receipt meno kasa mitu mira na machiresie fre nana kwakudua oye bono regional crime officer na bisa sasa me fre ni na dadue ya sa me say and this regional organizer omochi no omochi ni say wa for the regional coordinating council receipt yo enti sa contractor bi na benya adwuma no wa ba no ho no wa issue no wa de anwea cars na ye Ghana de na jam no agitika che ne botom wo mo chi no wo mo ya asem no ayi se obi a wawi aban ade ma ya che no unim kwado o mo de bo no misappropriation ne de misdemeanor na kese aban na de share ne nsa na mom hwe na wan hwe so yie ompa so mu ja ninti na se ko mo charge ni stealing under section 124 no yakume krata akoma attorney general for say mo ya awe se kwadu sei and omo de aboni pana kwa kodru kwato ya fine obi di 25 cars ahan contractors ya didia 3 years ya di nipa na kogina akoda na so omo charge ni misappropriation tu nim sika omo je ma Ghana ban 12,000 meno ka se ma krelete e de akoma attorney general amom people say meto omonka regional ha attorney general department metro omo kura so omo nyawo say case bi sa akoso na nya omo na advise police no say omo nya sa adwuma no
ene me pa cho tie
so omo ye say police for no they are not doing it yan kan no kura nti omo
ayi tamayi wo bi bisa se abato di ntworo keke ena ye tworo yenya nduru abato no ankasa o mo ho no se foreigners metro na mo mo ho no entiase be na emamu a ama sa penche nipakum abamu nipa pre nipa abamu bunu e de be na aba abusua ba ko
dinkra ne start ye no na bibi e koso so obekaya ebe na otwene akire ne na NDC Director of Elections say NDC for sorry woman kika omo woman for omo moja enfam preventing crofo ne besi me no kasa so me na mon kran dinkra yi koso no
why na okay
every free anka so me na mon kran okole say NDC for woman won say omo preventing crofo ne besi omo for omo moja no okasa so tinka o ye press conference what tinkran Electoral Commission for advert now more years o tie ni ya. Wo mo say obi a onye aduma wo Electoral Commission asroye. Na ye be hu so kita Electoral Commission materials, registration materials bia no. Watia Ghana mara ye nchi no na o man ni. Ebra me kwa probona no e na NDT fo binum omo hu say do Mahama bae wa mwa Ghana. No omo de fisa na nado amamuo no ekoyie ma omo no eniama bone omo ye within the NDC mantam hai ana wo mo regional executives ni bi ne metana ase ana omo say na guaranteed form no say enkofo be appear before the registration officer no won say we na guarantee no wo mo na NDC for na print bi from internet
me ba cho we wadanse we.
Oh, me kaba be siso mo wanya dance na wa face nya municipal police station.
Okay.
Na ko internet so sisi ai. Enti abra wo mo bo mama ne so ma print from internet no mo ankata obi a wadi kana register dada no. No ma fill guaranteed form no wo fie. O ma fill sa. Enti o mo dia ho wo ne bedura the only thing e hia no say the applicant name. No mo dia hye so. No dia ma say.
Wo ka ho a what should I say? So on Philip Bunu region.
Supreme Court judgment no omunya Ghana for.
Na say border sin ya close. Ba ya close border.
Me say, me no ka say unim say en na no ye mantam yi mu no ya chi nipa nko 35. A mo ye avoren. A ko mo ko breku ma ko twere mu din. Fred the regional migration officer abete ho asem. Ba bia mo do mo free bad me no ka se nipa ba ko wo brekum wadwane a ono ne do mo ba so matro mu tin a sisi asa ankofo 35 no our regional migration officer ho ena se ma me ka ndisi fo mpayifo no bo mama ne awie ye no ena so ka me so me ko monitor ma observe anti through me monitor na wo mo frɛ me say do mo share registration center na e wo sunya no west no and this me agent here on guarantees from na ye ne car mu say trom no mo de ne car number maame wo mo de car ne color maame any said the nipa ni titie enti me free straight from Drobo and I me travel straight to Dumasia registration center e wo Sunyana West ye wura registration center wana branch ye no hu say cars ni wura mo ana otu ni car straight to Dumasia Krom and I'm saying Chelsea Kano. Ye Chelsea Kana, ye Gina, and say, O Kana, the Kobe woman, ye Pase Wuno, ye bien the Kanamua. Guaranteed forms for my failure with them call for ID card, Tom printing, not a waja, space in Oaxaca, African name on Guam. And yet, Dumasia Krona Munia Bona Bomo. And Ukroma for Boania Bona Bomo, citizens arrest. Dese Sunyani Municipal Police Station. Abronye and your friend of Felix Boy. Sunyani Municipal Station Officer and our divisional commander say 2 weeks ago Yanchi Abronye Okita Electoral Commission and Yaman Nikama and the picture called social media Facebook Babia Bisa Sebesin Nano case in a system. Wamada sleeping police. Sleeping police. Ya chine do aduma na wonyana obi aboa odi abre wo no okwa kan baka se ye ni patrol ade bako akwachi obi ye ni we de bako akwachi obi ye ni
chama
so ni abanya wa maka se chem administration dia
chama obi asandi abram se asema wo kan nyina e bia no kure wo mba to so ha adwene dodo
kaga gamda na se ene nkira me to mra na ma kire sie no sir won sa me kan ma bo municipal divisional commander dine wo sunwane station officer na wo hona nkasa no mia na me kwato no no so abrantie no mu no mo de tena kanta back tira na no asem o tira na no asem no police fo na nim no ofre NDC parliamentary candidate aka say honorable ade na wo di amam no yatim yo dia wo di mam no yatim awo police fo anim ai wo video ma metin di video no asendu sisi ai me no kasa wi a me di video sunu nyina be send o ai dance die bisa say asise
ebo police say ochi ni pa wi a wo ye hwehwemu ehunu asem no po ansa na nipa na kwa kogina court nti bia hwehwemu no wonya nwie enti wo gina ho sabi oto na ya mpe ase wonya na adwuma yi a na agya ese wo ma
me na kwa me
bra
adamfie bia ni wa a chance enipa na ya ki no in the presence of the police no also honorable ade na ade ma me ya kimi o adamfie bia ni wa chance enya allegation kakane ekoye yo adamfie bia ni wa chance guarantors forms ayo bi ka ma na ya ki no ma na ade me te say ni candidate na de ma no ni yahu adamfie bia ni wa chen adamfie bia ni wa against accused person no obe admit offense na wa committee no
but say eja we obi a wo sua mra ba wo ba court ye be ka kire say wa admitting wo hene before hwan no me ade ti court no be prove say assembly no kura na say order
am say be sin na mo ka court ho asem no ono dia wa kwa command statement wa kan report the man no ani bibibia waje atum sa ono na na ekita anamboa nti saa danse we nyina dike di afe ansa na akoko to meboa nanu ni esi bandai arawo what to say afema me can be seen no the regional commander any police for atuma ba be challenge o mo ntimi challenge because some say the city and saa na me can me fabin tete ho
eno de ye friend no ye nsanka no but ye friend honorable was batombo ye friend honorable Ahmed asema kan ni say was ye bra Abronye minua kitu wodi tro papa was wonu kura no wo ye parliament adwuma honorable chairman sabosu minna anim won si banda ho enti so ka say na ye nwa ye de ba ya was debi oh minua kitu Trani Woody. Many akwa me. Meet you. District commander and regional commander ma fidie dabi omutie. So ya wesa. Pa. Commander na regional commander me ko no. Unless you nkosi district commander so. Na obi MPP fo na ye attack NDC fo no. Eye da MPP fo na te say omugu hospital ya refer back to comfort anochi. A moja dina nitim. Now tie yasem ni yo abrantia na onam ni ba bia nam so owuye no unim time owuye Ahmed Ibrahim say we register NDC registration agent and MPP for kokunu near the kind registration center bank and abrantia no wa MPP for kokunu near taso mienu abrantia no 7:30 p.m. but Electoral Commission for your Maduma, Uti or more advert now. What must say? Non sia pepper, need to Madina day. About we. Until 7:30 p.m. a branch and woo, you know. No registration ban there, quarter why you crow and to Quasima branch and woo. Now, or see a registration center there. Registration center be our political parties, no your agent or and our registration officer. One on the see electoral commissioner nanamu our center bia. And to registration officer bang and my friend be seen them na confirm say and this agent edin ba oyabunaku. One more registration officer krodini namun tredi okayfm for mun tredi saniama we nyina no okwa o hwehwa eni wasa onam ni babi and Ahmed Ibrahim na kwalo ye a DC commander na say Amran
to barrier near me say sleeping police no e ha na atem no wo no emrantia ne to barrier na omoto na no past 7 a.m. say ya ma ho bia enwura krom ho na ya wo no badia na kesa wo betwe ogini ana mbisa commander ne say wo huye o say ami huye ade na aye ya so na me fisa omo aya omo bra omo bejai ana o mamre ana ebo 7:30 p.m. ana obi wuye afi na o manya hoho omukunu omukun wo ne wie ya omo de torch hwe hoho na nima sa na onye hoho no ekromani a ofri ayinkuro afi na esu yakum ya desio because ayinkuro honom no ampipi ni ayinkuro adi free 1992 MPP every near him Koda, what about 85% demand NDC. What I say, MPP to me sorry a cra, woman ya strong will say, yeah, my war and macron so a big lie. Opa now Oquasatia, a resource free 92 at that time and tape and that conference he banano, a crow I him crow. MPP winning what the almost about 85 to 90%. Into kura MPP is strong no. I hear that MPP 40 minutes sort of take it over. Say yeah, my whole maternity in the Bekuno. Once would you try a show? And to a money pariano. I know my sorry. Say, MPP for meanwhile, I no catch a conference time. I have friend Kofi J. No free Kofi, I have friend Bonga, say Airbus, number the Chrome Cabrono. Cabrono near him, Crawford, no sonka. And to a say attack a conference time and a Cabrono of water. What they are tiny Gusu Yaduma, and he are two barrier, I made Ibrahim. And the police for the didn't say, Frederick commander and say, or no, I say, I'm a dim free chrome on yes, I am fashion, my body didn't. My body didn't want to say on free chrome on yes, I am fashion, and to a cat now of parliament,
Okay.
Yo, Martina, a brain timber to my minche, a dear way. What is our Airbus scandal in what the Airbus by Interpol declares Samuel Mahama 3 others fugitive, others the arrest. Now, Airbus baby do say, what you say?
But that's it, me, my king kind of DNA be na need the ho. Now, a man for being a person or more rubbish, sa warrant no my issue in the kind say warrant no say Interpol issue there as a second publish or more website. And to no more website there and just say a fake. A lawyer for no more casano or more can who be na seven entrance exams ya bakurumano. What you say? Say the politics not saying ever can answer man. And entrance exams saying in Krano more by more the internet to share or might be no down. On the clear dams no my fairy. Because be no my dear near the my. Say judicial service ya or mine Ghana. One more website. And to court to try to say ya met Abronye bench warrant. Now over called judicial service website. And you want to say I see a met Abronye with bench warrant here. And not just a bench warrant to me fake.
But say so we place on Interpol for a war a year, one more NMC for across the world. At least you know, say place will be on Interpol ni pakwa woni ha or Abronye. It's our Abronye no ni this jurisdiction there. As I see a hunu on various platforms here international, so that all will be a Ibenwisa and Pao.
Now can a binisa and Rahu no WhatsApp so a platform. What can say any means be a yabafaswo. I want some more other Mahama Biano, Yam Fason Patron statement in them. I
won't but woman in address.
More, into any means be honest, okayfm say. Don't call me or don't call me. A man for Monsoro, but there are some more Mahama Sebiano, Montreshamra, any means in Ibino. I said, trend interpretation.
Abronye, chairman. So will be a Yenimu Saudi Yemfa, I know Adams Mahama no. Yenimu se ye won waha oteha otehatia obo na dress beba te se de bia akwa Abronye na wotena taxi mu ana de amano e bia me ko 133 Winthrop Drive e bia Georgetown Maryland straight away de obekọ we no edi enti de bia wo munya ne sa danse bia ye betu atom fnama mu
Nedi kan before ansa na ombe issue Interpol bia no. Na police na hwehwe nipa na omu hu no. Anansa nipa na oma hu sa owo within the jurisdiction na mo o play hard and seek. So we play hard and seek ya Interpol ya adwuma. So what ya nipa na address. Ye won ye nim ta fie we no tim. Na mo ye hwehwe na ye hu no.
Chama wo mwa yen kakra ja wo de wo sua mra yi obi a oye British citizen na ye wramati am the special prosecutor akogye sa order yi en shebe na eso fa so onye Ghanaian national
ne di kan ne passport na ekita no okita Ghanaian passport wa kire se osan ye Ghana ni so what ya
dual citizenship
dual citizen nti o man nhihye no o man mra no the moment I acquire passport na ne passport so nipa odi adanti ansa na o de passport na man no I am then president of the Republic of Ghana former president John Dramani Mahama and the di adanti say enipa Samuel Adams Mahama no me gina mo man say monye Ghana passport man no ye Ghana ni on the dia dance man former president John Dramani ma ebra no ye Ghana man panyin no so already particulars na on the dia dance say wo ye Ghana ni santi o man nhihye no e ma ho kwan say Ghana ni badi bone e wo man Ghana ne so man mra ne hwehwe ne so wa suoja enam so kitan krata e kire so yo man ni no okwa suoja yetimi di saa Interpol ya ye kan ho asem yi ekofa ne ba because ye nyina ye hye international laws na sebi eye adwuma na o man foforo no so nya na enam say UK ene o man Ghana ye nyina ye Commonwealth countries ninti no ne ye mra no ayi common law no ene ye nyina ye de ye adwuma no UK aban eso be form mra so na o mo de ne abre o man Ghana enti matiami do ye nyina eti krom hai ana matiami do na ankasa twere se wo invite sankrofo no wo mmra for interrogation ana meboa sakra na matiami do twere ye ne di kan hu ye se wo mmra for interrogation dia na che se Airbus no wasem ba ye no sankrofo no be ba insist obe assist investigation na ekoso no ye misa invitation kan o monsa no wo ma ba na o mo mai so under the mandate of the special prosecutor no what me issue sa Interpol arrest no because wo ma trevia won say enipa no e bi oni o man Ghana because what ya me so di bone na so say me ko UK me UK citizen ye ayi ye ntimi eni wa 70 Ghana ko ne ntimi fa manya no na no the to ayi amdina or resign ye no oni niente omutimba servo no wa ha no niente omutimba servo no ne say under the laws of the United States of America no so you citizen ne so di bone ne say ye hwehwa ensuasi babi a wo hye bia no wo mmra no etimi kwatwe ba e ma edu wasem. That is why the two did not resign because we kita American citizenship. Enunti oko wanko ye di asem we ni so difa babi a o hye bia no America fo be ba be fa no na omo de na ko
okay
ko serve wo o duru one so omo de certified true copy judgment every sa court no ba o man Ghana Ghana man panyin nim say ye no omo wo sa nhye no na say am gini wa ha ye be Ghana kwanta ko na e ho mra no enu wonnie entin krata ya matiami do issue no obi obeka say oni sa tumi bia na odi agro and even the Ghana police service show obi na say ye hu na o tin the to Interpol say yan gani pananyere emra enti wenya de foforo ne di kan o tell ye fake ya e fake ya yenya ye nim say ye wura matiami do de sakotre ko abwa ne say nya nokro be ba be yi ano ebesi enura awia up to samre what to say what issue disclaimer be say and nyama na na bonten no first special prosecutor office no enya nokro na me issue Interpol bia na me directly the police to issue an Interpol what it be say
me tell you any chama ya fan komozia why
me da say sɛ wɔn anya ne deɛ me deɛ mɛsrɛ sɛ wɔn anya ne deɛ nipa guarantee man nipa no ɛma ne nya passport di bu Ghana pass no wɔn hwehwɛ ne nkyɛn no.
ati chama meda sɛ no bɛyi.
Menso me da se bebree.
Mezi me da se chama Kwame Abronye obonu mra ne sa Abronye DC Bru regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party na atwe nkomo no.
OKFM 101.7